Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Emily. Today's video is going to be my everyday makeup look, which is this. I'm going to be showing you how I do this and what products I use as well. So let's get into that right now. I look awful without makeup on, as you can see. I'm not going to put my hands in my face because obviously my face is very pale because I don't tan it. So I've already done my eyebrows because it's just too ugly otherwise, like just plain right ugly, and I want to draw people to my channel, not scare them away. So I just started with that, and then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the light medium shade. I think it's the wrong shade, but it was a birthday present, so I'm not complaining. I still use it because why not? I think I use it wrong actually, because it goes weird under my eyes, but whatever. I don't know how to do makeup either. Like, I just do what I want to do, so do not judge. Thanks. Also, if you see me looking in this direction, it's because my mirror is there. If I put it in front of the camera, it's obviously in front of the camera. So yeah, let's start. This is so weird. I feel very weird doing this. This is not okay. Like, do I talk while I do this, or do I just do it? Like, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, I just do that, and then this chin is just, what is happening? Ooh, damn girl. And then I feel like I'm just not looking at the camera ever though, so it looks weird. Anyway, I just get this little brush. Like, do I do the whole hand shit? I don't know. And I just like carve out my eyebrows a little bit. These are from eBay, and they're just like the Jessup ones, but you get so many. I think you get like 20 or something, and they're actually really good. Like, I use a lot of them. None of my brushes are branded, so like, I mean, I don't have the money for that shit. Anyway, moving on. Look, it didn't even do anything, so literally this is just like a waste of time for me, so I'm just not gonna do it. Whatever. And then Beauty Blender. I think this is just like the Models Prefer one. Super clean. It's a new one. Wow, already beautiful. Jokes. Alright, and then on top of that, I just put the Stay Matte pressed powder, running low, hit pan. That's very sad, with the Jessup. I think that's what they are anyway. I can put the link in the description if you want to get them. I mean, they're cheap and they're good. They do the job, so whatever. But this is the shade Sandstorm in 4, like 004 or something. And I just chuck that on top. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful. Alright, next I get the matte BYS eyeshadow palette, and it just looks like this. I get the cheap palettes because I use it every day, so I'm not gonna spend like freaking $50 on something that I'm just gonna waste anyway. Well, I'm not wasting that. You know what I mean? I'm just going in with the shade Caramel. Just a little light brown, as you can tell. I do use that a lot. And I just chuck it in there because I don't know what else to do with it. Just whatever. This is probably gonna look awful. This is gonna be like the worst day of my life. But, you know, that's okay. You're all here to experience that. Right. Wow, that didn't really do much, but it's okay. Look at that. I, like, should just become a makeup artist already. And then, oh, yeah, sorry. I get the shade Chocolate, which is this bad boy. And I just, like, put it on top just to, like, darken it up a bit. Difference? Yeah, cool. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. Like, I literally don't even know what I'm doing. Like, I just chuck it on and go. I mean, at the end of the day, it doesn't look too bad, so that's all that matters, I guess. Alright. Then I get the MAC Pigment in the shade Tan, which is weird because it's like rose gold, so I don't know why it's called tan. And I just put that on top just for a little bit of a sparkle. See, you can't even see what I'm doing. Like, I don't have all the fancy camera techniques. I mean, maybe when I edit it, I might be able to zoom in for you, but Who knows? And then I just go in with the, I don't even, look, you can't even see it, so it doesn't matter. The Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Beige, Nude Beige, sorry. And I just pop that on here. And you just chuck it everywhere. Really? Like, I just do whatever. Wow, this is exciting, isn't it? That'll do. Put that back. Okay, and then I go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape stuff. See, like, it's like the same colour. But of course you can't see that because the light's too bright. I'm gonna like put it on my nose and here and here. I look like that guy, that meme that had like all the yoga on his face or something. I don't know. I look like this guy. I'll put it here. When I get powder, I like the concealer lips. I'm gonna just put it everywhere. And then I get the eyeshadow palette again. And then I just go in with caramel again and put it under my eye. Just to like match it up. And then I go in with, I gotta be careful with it because I dropped it the other day, which was really sad. Just the Australis Brow Shaping Kit. Whoops. Go in with this little bad boy. I think this was eBay as well. What isn't from eBay, really? And I just go over top because a lot of like foundation and stuff goes on top of it. I mean, I find it really hard to talk while doing eyebrows. I don't know if that's just me or... I don't know. This is gonna be the boringest video in your bloody life, but hey, that's fine. It's only for fun anyway. And I just get this little spoolie and I just kind of like try and blend out the start of it because otherwise it just looks crazy. This is pretty much how I do my eyebrows, like beforehand as well. Except I use this little brush. Comes with it. So yeah, I just use the gel first, put that on, and then I go over the top with the powder. And then that's it. My eyebrows done. And then I just go in with the BYS Brow Fix gel stuff. It is clear, but it's gone brown because I just do this. I just like chuck it on. I don't even know what this does, but other people use it, so I'm like, well, I better use it too then. But then by the end of the day, my eyebrows are like gone anyway. So it really doesn't do anything. And then I go in the, everything's BYS. Not sponsored at all. And this is broken, so that's great. I just go in with the middle one, and I just put it under my eyebrows a little bit. I don't really think this does much either, but I don't know, does it? I guess it kind of does. I don't know, then I just like blend it out anyway and it just goes, so there's like no point in this, but I do it anyway. It doesn't look any different. Waste of time, that is. Then I just go in with the Natio. I always pronounce things wrong, but that's okay. The Pressed Powder Bronzer. And it just looks like this. And I get the, this is also from that Jessup's eBay. And then I just whirl it around. And I go to town. So after I've done that, I get the Tarte Ornate, I think it is, bronzer. Freaking blush is what it is. And I just like put it on this brush. Also eBay, I think. And I just put it here. So pinken it up a bit. And then I go in with the MAC. Can't see it. Stupid. The MAC Beaming Blush. I think it's actually blush because it says it, but I use it as highlighter. And I just take this Nude by Nature eyeshadow brush because I like to do it small. And I just go doop, and I just put it on top. Like, I don't even know how to do highlight. I don't understand how people like do it and then make it so it looks like it blends in. Like, mine just stops and looks like I've just gone, let's go. You know, I don't know. I don't know how people do it. People comment down below and just be like, this is how you do it, you stupid. They're like, what? And then I have to get this and like try and blend it because it just doesn't blend it. It doesn't matter what highlighter I use, it just never works. I don't understand. Anyway, I still do it because I guess it's pretty cool. Alright, and then I do my eyelashes. I go in with this little thingy, eyelash curler from Kmart, and I just put it on. Like, do you pull it or do you just sit it and squeeze? Like, I don't even, I mean, I guess it does do something a little bit. I don't know, but I feel like, because I've done it every day for like, I don't know, since I started makeup, that I have to just continue doing it. I actually pulled all my lashes out once with this because I bumped it, my like arm. It was the worst day of my life. And then I go in with this Blinc, of course you can't see it, the Blinc Lash Primer. I don't know if this does anything either, but like I feel like it kind of makes them thicker. Then I go in with the Tarte mascara. This is just like the little sample one because I didn't know if I would like it or not, and I did, so I bought the bigger one, but I'm going to use this first. The other day I went to this like art expo thing with my family, and it's just like all these like photos on the wall that look like they're like coming out at you, but you can't really see it unless you take a photo of it. And it was like the coolest thing ever. Like, it's so hard to explain. Like, it's just, they're photos that look alive. I don't know. I put some on my Instagram if you want to check it out. My link to that, or my name to that, is in the description. But they're so cool. Like, we were in there for 3 hours. It felt like we were in there for like half an hour. But like, they're just like all illusions, but I don't even know. It was really cool. You should all check it out. Artbo in Melbourne. Docklands shopping centre thingy. Alright, and then I get this MAC pigment, and it's called Melon. And I get this little pointy brush, and I put it in the inner corner of my eyes because I think it's pretty. I also go in with this, and it's just like this little sparkly eyeshadow stuff. I'm pretty sure it's off eBay as well. It just sparkles, and I just put it in the inner corner as well, just to really make it pop. And then last thing I do is the Mac Fix Plus, and I just spray it all over my face. So there's the finished product of my makeup. It's my everyday look that I never change. Like, it's literally every single day the same thing. Even if I'm going out or something, it's still the same thing. I just put eyelashes on because I don't know how to do anything else. I don't really go out anyway because all my friends are in Tassie. So I am a little bit lonely up in Melbourne. But I do have some awesome friends I've made at my work. If you liked any of the products that I used today, I will list them all down below so you can purchase them yourself, which you probably won't because they're all shit, but that's okay. Thanks so much for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I've never done anything like this before, so it was super weird for me. I'll see you on my next video. Thanks. Bye.